Hello, brilliant minds and trivia enthusiasts. Welcome to Quiz Crafted Knowledge. Here, we'll dive deep into quizzes, games, and enriching knowledge bites that will challenge and entertain you. Today, we've got a colorful and exciting challenge for you, the Guess the Flag Challenge. We're going to flash various flags on the screen, and it's up to you to identify which country they belong to. Let's get started. Burkina Faso. Djibouti. Eritrea. Tuvalu. San Marino. Sao Tome and Principe. Nauru. Kiribati. Palau. Marshall Islands. Micronesia. Lesotho. Bhutan. Vanuatu. Comoros. That's it then. Comment down below how many you got right. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.